Hi everyone, welcome. We've been working with negation in French, in other words, the equivalent of not. Not in French is either ne pas or an apostrophe and pas. The ellipsis represents a conjugated verb, so all you have to do is put the ne before the conjugated verb and the pas afterwards. If the verb form begins with a vowel, then you use the an apostrophe. So let's look at an example. I work. If I want to say I don't work, je ne travaille pas. Je travaille, je ne travaille pas. Je travaille, je ne travaille pas. In this lesson, we are going to work with the subject pronoun they, the masculine il, I-L-S. So they work will be il travaille, il travaille. They work. If I want to say they don't work, ne goes before travaille and pas afterwards, so we have il ne travaille pas. Il travaille, il ne travaille pas. They like, ils aiment. They don't like, ils n'aiment pas. Remember, if it begins with a vowel, an apostrophe, ils n'aiment pas. They forget, ils oublient. They don't forget, il n'oublie pas. Begins with a vowel and apostrophe. Il oublie, il n'oublie pas. They listen, ils écoutent. They don't listen. This begins with a vowel, so an apostrophe. Ils n'écoutent pas. That's it for this lesson. Thanks so much for watching. If you found it helpful, please give it a like. If you know of someone that might find this helpful, please share. To continue learning French and go on to the next lesson, click on the video that appears here on your screen. See you soon. À bientôt.